Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really awesome video for you guys. By the title, you should already know what's going on here. I am going to be doing a $700 Lush haul. You heard it right, $700 worth of Lush fresh handmade cosmetics, baby. Little backstory about me and the amazing brand Lush. I have worked for them for 2 years. I absolutely adore them. I love my job, and since the pandemic, unfortunately, I have been honorably discharged. So I have been missing it, and I went back for a little while, and it was really awesome. So hopefully I will be reunited. But either way, I wanted to grab some of my favorite goodies before my time was done. And so you know a girl did a huge online order. I have a couple Lush videos that I have done previously. So if you want to check them out, I'll have them linked below first. So you can see some of my previous Lush videos, talk about some of my favorite things and some stuff we get for free, which is pretty awesome. But enough chit chat. I have this beautiful box right here. So let's jump into her. But first, a little bit of box wine, because we struggling students out here, and it's my business, so mind your business. I love my Pinot Grigio. Little reference before I open her up. This is how the box looks. As you can see, it's pretty heavy. Let's get into her. I'm not going to do this in any particular order because I want it to be a true unboxing, so just keep that in mind. Some of my previous ones I've done like hair care, shower, but we're just going to go off based on what they put up in here and what comes out first. First up, Revive. So Revive, one of my favorite products at Lush. Super pricey, but super worth it. So I got the big tub. This is formerly known as R&B. It is a hair moisturizer, and it is one of the only products on my hair that makes it look exactly how I want. Like, gives me volume, gives me shine, gives me curls. It's just super beautiful. It's filled with beautiful ingredients, and I absolutely love it. What I will say off the bat that I'm noticing about my products is that they're covered in bath bomb dust, and I'm really scared because I got some good bath bombs. I hope they're not broken, so fingers crossed. I literally jinxed myself. This is so broken. I'm so disappointed. It looks so ugly. But this is one of the bath bombs from the Valentine's Day edition. I'm not really sure of the name as of right now, but these are filled with hearts, and it smells like rose jam, which is one of my all-time favorite shower gels from Lush. But this is really broken. I'm really disappointed. I mean, I don't even know how to go about this, but it smells so good. It has that classic rose jam smell, so it is what it is. Next up is Tingle. Tingle is an amazing product. It's a peppermint based product that is a body conditioner for the shower. So it's an in-shower body lotion, and it's made for body pains and aches. So really good after the gym, after some yoga. You're just gonna dip into this and put it everywhere, but it's so dusty from the bath bomb dust. This is really bothering me. I'm definitely gonna have to reach out to HR team. If you could really look at all my products, they're completely covered in bath bomb dust. It's like kind of killing my mood. But you know, I had to get 2 of them because like they don't make a big size, so necessary. Next up on the list is going to be my giant bottle of rose jam. Do you guys see this? Look at it compared to the bottle of wine. Like, I mean, the glass of wine. This is so yummy. The best way that I could explain rose jam is like a literal rose jam, like thick, almost like syrup. Like, it comes out onto the body so luxuriously, and it makes you feel so good. It smells amazing. If you're a rose fan, you would love this. I'm obsessed with rose, like rose everything. So this is literally my life. I love this guy. So you know, I had to get the big one. Like, it was necessary. I'm seriously gonna have to have a word with HR. This is not acceptable. I'm sorry, this is not acceptable. My giant dirty spring wash that I was so excited to get was not only open, but it's completely dripping, and all of the packing peanuts have stuck to it. I don't know what's going on over there at Lush headquarters. maybe the pandemic is like really affecting them, but this is not okay. I do love Dirty Spring Wash though. It's kind of the opposite end. It's kind of similar to Tingle, so it has that fresh peppermint smell. I really do enjoy it, but this is just, I'm really not feeling this package at all. Okay, I'm sorry, but we have to take a pause for a second. This is completely unacceptable. So I ordered 2 Dirty Spring Washes, and neither of them have tops. They didn't come with blockers. I didn't even check if my Rose Jan came with one. The Rose Jan one didn't come with a blocker either, which, I mean, it's not the worst thing, but it's like, these are shower gels being shipped with bath bombs as well, and so the fact that my Dirty Spring Wash popped open, I'm losing product, which is annoying. So I'm kind of not pleased right now with this order, which... And, you know, my bath bomb is destroyed, which, working on the floors with these guys, I know how fragile they are. I'm not going to make a huge deal out of that. But when you do place such a large order, you would just hope that it would be a little better secured. Which in this case, so far, they're getting like a 2 out of 10 for security. Because there's no reason as to why my biggest shower gels should be coming with less product in it, because it opened up mid-package. Like, strongly worded email coming to you. More dusty products. Yay. Next up, we have Rose Argan. So Rose Argan is another body conditioner similar to Tingle, but Tingle has body pain properties, whereas Rose Argan is really just so you smell like more rose, which that do be the goal. That do be the goal. I do love to smell like a beautiful rose. It's kind of me. It's kind of my thing. But yeah, this is super, super beautiful. Super yummy. Let's see what it looks like. Ugh. I wish you guys could smell it. It's just like super creamy and yummy. It has a ton of argan oil and kapakoo butter, which is so beautiful for the skin. So very happy about this, even though it literally looks like there's cotton candy all over it. Love that for me. Love that for me. Moving on, we have these 2. Oh my god, I can smell to the package. So this is the Rose Argan Naked Massage Oil. So I was super excited about this. Let me open them. Look at how beautiful this is. I literally love it. So yummy. It's already melting in my hands, which is kind of what a massage bar does. So massage bars, in this case, this one is a massage oil, which is kind of like a solid lotion, solid like massage oil basically, and you rub it into your skin and you melt it on, and they just melt right into the skin. This one's really, really gorgeous, and it smells like rose jam, which obviously we know I love it, as you can see. And it has the little Lush in the corner and the beautiful little rose. I am obsessed with it already. That's why I ordered 2, because I knew I was gonna love it. So I'm happy I could get my hands on it. Moving on, I also went ahead and got myself the Rosie gift set. The Rosie gift set, oh my god, I love this gift set. I used to love selling it on the floor too for all my rose obsessed Lushies and people that were buying for people that loved rose. So what's really awesome about this gift set, and the reason why I got it, is because it comes with a mini of like everything that I bought. So it comes with the Rose Jam shower gel, it comes with the Rose Argan body conditioner that I talked about earlier, but it also comes with the body spray in the little travel size and the bubble room. So let me show you. Open a gift for myself, because I'm single and I do that to me. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Come on. Come on, buy yourself a gift. Stop being corny, you know what I mean? Get into it. Can we just talk about this packaging for a second? Because if it's one thing that Lush always does right, except for when it comes to deliveries, apparently, no tea, no shade, but it's the packaging, baby doll. I hope this doesn't rip. I don't want it to rip. This is so pretty. Not me obsessing over the packaging. Not it saying made with love by Caitlin's team. My name's Caitlin too. This gift was really meant to be. Bleh. Purr. Mwah. Now, if you've worked with me or seen me on work or whatever the case is, you can almost always catch me at the bubble bar section like this. With the rose, I mean, just first of all, look at it. Like, it's absolutely stunning. It's filled with glitter and it's a gorgeous rose, so you can't go wrong with that. I mean, come on, who doesn't love roses? If you say you don't, you're lying. I don't care. I'm right, you're wrong. Shut up. So it starts off with this gorge, babe. You know, it's just like, look at the comparison, babe. Who wanted this? Like, I'm over here thinking, oh, I'm gonna order from online, it's gonna be super fresh. Lies and Decepticons, but at least they made up for it with this beautiful baby girl, because this is handcrafted to, oh my god, handcrafted to perfection, unlike some people. So we got that baby. Moving on, like I said, we have the Rose Jam body spray, and it comes in the miniature one. Just for reference, how the body sprays actually come would be this guy here. This one is the Once Upon a Time one, another one that I got, which is so yummy. This came out in winter time though. Just gotta do it real quick. Oh my god, it smells like fresh apples. If you're into apples, this is definitely the scent for you, but it is limited edition, so try back again this December. With this guy, which I absolutely love because I've always wanted the scent, but I didn't love it enough in a spray to buy the full size, so that's why I said let me take advantage and buy the little gift, because then I can get the best of both worlds and I don't gotta buy the big one. And then we got the Rose Jam, once again a little travel size for me for when that big guy finishes out, which is lovely. And of course the beautiful Rose Argan, which, I mean, come on, 10 out of 10. I love that guy. It's not like my favorite body conditioner. There are better ones in my opinion, but if I want to smell like roses all day, this is the literal set. Like, this is what you have to do, paired with my little massage bar. I mean, come on. I wish I could like allow you to smell through the screen, because you would literally be like, mwah. The next thing that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the one, the only Watermelon Sugar High. Watermelon Sugar High. Watermelon Sugar High. So this is the Watermelon Sugar lip scrub. It does actually have some watermelon in it, which is pretty cool. You know, Lush, they always make sure they stay true to what they brand. So obviously this is Harry Styles inspired. Back when I was working for Lush, I did get to see the preview for everything, and on the little thing it did say like, tell Harry Styles we say what's up. So, you know, it is for that. It is. Let's get some first impressions in of this. I haven't really been trying products on the screen, so oh, that's good. That's good. It actually smells like watermelon hookah. Literally like watermelon flavored hookah. If you ever, you know, been to hookah lounge, whatever. All my 18 plus mommies. This is really nice. I really like it. Let's see how the texture is, because I have a lot of Lush lip scrubs, so I've tried a lot. It has that classic Lush feel. Super soft, super gentle. Moment of truth is the taste though. Sweet watermelon candy. It's not going to give you Sour Patch Kid watermelon, but it's going to give you like that classic like hard candy watermelon moment, you know? That's what it's like. So this is pretty dope. I really like it. Probably could be one of my favorite lip scrubs, can't lie. I did like Candy Cane that came out for Christmas, which just a little Christmas plug. This is Candy Cane. It's really yummy. It's a classic mint, which I love, so I'm kind of more in that realm, but I do like the watermelon sugar, can't lie. Really cute packaging too. I love how they changed it up. Love it. We're kind of getting a little bit of a wrap up here, guys. The next two things that I'm going to talk about are fragrances. So I picked up a Junk. Now, Junk, I've had a love affair with this perfume for so long. Working for Lush ever since they came out with this guy, and I smelled it. We also had a soap that smelled like it. It was the Crescent Moons that were purple and yellow, for all my Lushies that remember that one. But this is super yummy. The main fragrances here is lemon oil, I think it has, yeah, mandarin, green mandarin oil and rosemary. So it's like earthy, but it's like fresh. And to be honest, I have to say I'm not a huge fan of it on the skin, which is kind of why it took so long for me to buy this. I don't love it on me, but I like it as a room spray. You know, I told my coworkers that and they were just like, really? A room spray? And I'm like, yeah, like it just has this fresh, almost mint-like smell that's invigorating and uplifting. So I think for a day, you know, room spray, it's really lovely. It smells nice on me, but I just prefer it as a fragrant for around me, if that makes sense. Now, another one I have a love and hate with is Frangipani. So Frangipani is, I got the solid version because I'm not a huge fan of the spray version, but I actually like it in the solid better. If there's anything that I can compare this to, it's gonna be Charity Pot. Charity Pot is our nonprofit body lotion that I also got. That one's really, really nice. All the proceeds go to the charities. I'm saying ours like I still work there. God. But this is literally Charity Pot with like a little hint of like spicy floral. So it's really dope. It's awesome. If you didn't ever seen, Lush has little solid ones. You kind of just rub and the little thing comes off. You can see that. And then you hit your pressure points with them. So I'm going to put a little bit on now because I really do like this scent. But I didn't like it enough to get it in a fragrance actual like I did with Junk. But this is awesome. It's definitely dope. These are awesome for travel. You know, you can just pop one in, pop as many as you like, and no one can clock you at TSA. So that pretty much concludes this video. Overall, I mean, I am a little disappointed at the packaging, and I'm definitely going to reach out to Lush for that. I'm sure they'll make it right. Their customer service team is super awesome with fixing anything and, you know, making sure things go smoothly. So unfortunately, I feel like I got the short end of the stick this time around ordering. I never really experienced an order that was so messy and like open and like just kind of all over the place. Aside from that, you know, I love these products. I'm so happy with them and I think they're super amazing. So I was really pleased with everything I got. Luckily, I'm so excited to try the massage oil bars. They're brand new formula. So really hoping that those go awesome. But aside from the messy packaging, you know, Lush is awesome. I love these products and I'm super excited to use them, and we'll see how long it takes me to get through some of these things. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know below what you think of these products if you've tried them, and let me know what Lush products you love, because I would love to talk about more, you know, in-depth products and different things like hair care if that's something you guys would be interested in. But I will be having a lot of hauls coming soon. I actually just bought almost $300 worth of Savjix Fenty, so a little plug, stay looking for that. But like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just going to be finishing this bag of wine and now editing the video. You guys don't got to know about all that stuff. But yes, thank you for watching. As I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be fake. And follow my social medias below because I'm not that popping on there yet. And we gotta get this shit jumping, guys. It's 2021. You know what I mean? Get into it.